In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to whisper and yell in Elevenlabs Elevenlabs prompts, which will take about 5 minutes. We're diving into the fascinating world of voice modulation within text-to-speech applications. This is particularly useful if you're creating content that requires nuanced vocal expressions, like storytelling, character dialogue, or audio presentations. Now, let's get started and transform your voice prompts into dynamic and expressive audio. First off, what you'll need to do is open Elevenlabs. This platform is where all the magic happens, turning your written words into spoken phrases with emotion and power. Once you have 8Router up and running, you'll direct your attention to the sidebar. In the sidebar, you'll see an option labeled Text-to-Speech. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll be crafting your vocal expressions, whether it be whispers or shouts. The interface is fairly intuitive, but let's break down some steps to make the process smoother. To craft a whispering voice, it's crucial to pay attention to your emotional cues. Essentially, you want to guide the text-to-speech conversion with hints of tenderness and subtlety. Emotional cues help the software interpret the intended vocal delivery more accurately. Consider how someone might whisper words in a quiet setting and attempt to translate that emotion into the text. Next, controlling your sentence rhythm is key. A whisper often flows gently with a steady pace, so when typing out your sentences, think about how you might soften the delivery. You can manipulate the rhythm by tweaking the sentence structure itself. Now, let's explore how you can further personalize the tone. Adjusting the sliders within the interface allows you finer control over elements like volume, pitch, and speed. These adjustments will be critical in achieving the perfect whispering effect. Play around with these settings until you find a blend that sounds natural and reflects the intended emotion. On the flip side, to create a yelling or shouting tone, you'll want to infuse your text with emotion-loaded phrasing. Bold, strong words and exclamations enhance the intensity of the message. Think about how you communicate urgency or excitement with your voice and aim to encapsulate that feeling. To reinforce the shouting effect, punctuation becomes your ally. By shaping pacing with strategic punctuation marks, such as exclamation points or ellipses, you can emphasize abruptness or lengthen certain sounds, enhancing the overall dynamic of the shout. Finally, similar to the whispering settings, you'll need to adjust the sliders for raw power. These adjustments will increase volume and intensity, capturing the essence of a shout. Experiment with the settings until the output feels expressive and forceful enough to convey a strong impact. And there you have it, a quick, comprehensive guide to using Elevenlabs for whispering and yelling prompts. With these tools and techniques at your disposal, you can now create vocal expressions that are fitting for any type of mood or situation your project demands. Happy experimenting!